Well, hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're back in Blox fruits and we've got the blizzard fruit, which we are going to fully master out in this video, or maybe not. I don't know yet, but we are gonna showcase all the abilities after because it's on stock right now. I don't know if it's still, but it was, but I couldn't make a video because I had to go. But yeah, so the first ability that I'm going to showcase is the snowflake shuriken. You see, you press it and it throws a few shurikens at your enemy, and now you have the tornado flight, which I just completely got destroyed while doing. And let's do that. It does damage while flying, which is just super good. Like, look, you can just combo him and he's probably not gonna be able to do anything. Now, if you bring this in combination, it could be pretty nice. Like, look. Boom. Okay, I think I missed. Now, these aren't even my level, but it's for mastery, so if you could do that and then go over and fly. Of course, I don't have everything. I don't know if Blizzard is able to be awakened. I'm not sure. I don't think so, but for sure I don't know. So we're just gonna grind until we have the next skill now. And we got the new skill, people. We got the white out skill. Let's check what this does. We press it. Oh, it's like a little tornado flinging them around. We can try doing a combination with that one. Like when what would you use first? Let's bring him to spawn again. Boom. And I should make us, yeah. So first things, you sky jump, aim at him with the, yeah, okay, that was pretty bad. That was the wrong ability. Now you use that and, oh my god, I'm so fucking bad at combos. I didn't even hit him. 106 and then 250. 250 shouldn't be that hard, but like 300, I'm pretty sure. Though, oh shit, that's not even, here. What abilities does Doe have? 300, yeah, I got the 200 one, but alright. Oh, did I just waste my ability? Shoot, and then you could fling him into the water. That would be pretty helpful, actually, but not against an NPC. Well, now I'm just gonna grind again until we reach the next skill. We reach 100. I just like it. The number 100 is just so smooth and clean. Alright, we haven't got the next skill, but there's a pretty good combo I'm trying to do. Like, first you use this, now this. Okay, that was really bad because he died. Oh, chill, man. I did nothing. Well, only a little, maybe, very maybe. Look, first you use this, then you use this. If you miss, that's pretty bad. Like, this is a 3. Oh my god, that did damage to me. 3 skill combo for now, and I'm gonna blast him off the map. Then I'm gonna come back and use the combo again, because he's gonna wanna get to land, you know. Yo, that looks just so slick. Alright, let's try that combo against 2 people. Like NPCs, but okay, that's pretty bad. There's no way that got him. Oh, that's so satisfying. He's just flying. Bro, you could kill a person with just a tornado flight. That's like insane. Dude, I love it. Well, let's see when I have the next skill. What is... I was just flying so randomly, and I didn't even want to. Guys, I don't think we are gonna get it finished in 1 more hour. Look how slowly this is going up. This was 5 minutes or more. I'm gonna just show you a little of the gameplay, like a little of the grinding, how much mastery I get per kill, and then yeah. So first thing I'm gonna do is about to die, okay? We found fruit, we found fruit, we found fruit, we found fruit. Well, technically we didn't find it now, but we're gonna go there. The last time I've fruit spawned, I got control, so I'm gonna I think, nah, that's not 1,000 meters away, is it? I think it's gonna be like at hot and cold, because that's basically one of the furthest islands away from here. Yeah, I'm gonna see you when I'm there. Yeah, seems like it's hot and cold, because either it's on the main island or it's on hot and cold, because yeah, I think, or nah, 600 meters ain't that wide. Oh, yes it should be. Yeah, it's hot and cold. I thought it was gonna be the graveyard, but let's go there. I take it back, it's not hot and cold. It's supposedly gonna be this one again. I think that was the island where I found control. Shipwreck of what? Shipwreck? Are you kidding me? How am I supposed to even damage these things? Not now, not now. Get in the boat. I'm going away. Oh, no, 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 please don't. I really don't want to. I don't want to fight. I just want that fruit. Oh my god, I've never ever seen a shipwreck, and now it's coming for me. I'm gonna go back there. I don't know if it despawns, but I'm gonna go back there, and then I'm gonna look what I can do to them. But I think I'm gonna die pretty quickly. So yeah, it seems like it's on the island behind there. Let's just go there and see what fruit it is. Uh-oh, this is not a good sign. It's not sparkly whatsoever. It's sharp, right? Ah, we got a sharp fruit, and no. Well, I mean, from last time we got control. Bro, yeah. We got our 4th mythical fruit. Like, I think that's pretty good. What level are they? They're even higher level. Why am I not farming these? Technically, I could stay here. I want to see, is the shipwreck still here? Or I'm just gonna sail around and stuff, just trying to find another raid or something. Like, I didn't know what to do. I never did the shipwreck. I don't even know what you get. I think you get a fruit when finally killing one of... Killing? Do you kill a shipwreck? Defeat, yeah. I'm pretty stupid right now. Let's just go back there. Even though these guys are higher level, I really do appreciate these guys more. Okay, never mind. We got another ship raid. Seems like we're doing this one beforehand. Got the big boss. Do we even do any damage? Yes, that does damage. They're only attacking my ship. Boom. Boom. 9,000. I got 50 fragments. 33,000. No. They disappear. Okay, then I definitely need like bigger boats. I don't know what has the most health. I think it's like when being a marine, they have stronger boats. But I am not a marine. I am a pirate. I don't think this one has anything that has a lot of health. I don't know how much health this has, but we're gonna choose this one. Oh, that looks so crazy. And I can shoot bullets. That's cool. I want another shipwright. Please come for me, shipwright. I wanted to feature with your own weapon. We were just driving across the sea hoping for a shipwright. Alright, let's just wait. Doesn't look good yet. No shipwright spawning after all. But I haven't been traveling across with a boat, you know. Yes, 2.5k health. Alright, shoot at it. It does a bunch of damage. No, get back. No, I'm gonna fail. Oh my god, they're shooting me. I can't aim. Not in this boat. Oh, if I just circle them, then I'll win. Because they really don't know that I'm circling them, huh? Bro, I'm not hitting them. One is failing. One is failing to come across. And I'm failing to shoot him. Oh shit, I'm faster. I'm a lot faster. That's not good. We do 780 damage. It's gonna take a lot of time. It's gonna take like 30 minutes. No. I think we should use the fruit, but... No, shoot! Yeah. Shoot! We need... Yeah, that's what we wanted. We need that one cannon to activate. Like, the right one. Also, it fires at where I aim. No, it really doesn't. Shoot now! Does my boat heal? I'm not sure. Dude, what is wrong with these ships? We've almost sunken the first one. Yes, we've sunken the first one. 600 fragments ain't that much. Now just time for the other two. One is failing. They don't even have engines, but they're still failing though. And now. That's what we want. Uh-oh. That was bad. They ain't hitting me. Okay, I take it back. Chill. My old boat would have probably already lost, but the swan boat is very good for this raid. Another ship sunken. We're down to the finals. He is not catching me. We gotta get like really near to him so that we're like right next to him. But he's circling us as well. And he seemed... No, I'm faster. Shoots? Why does it shoot? Oh, so that's what it does. Shoot. Oh. Why did I even stop? We need to get onto a maneuver. I think getting out of the boat would be a bit better. Bro, do we need to like aim in another art? Okay, now we're hitting. Never mind, we're still missing. 9k health. What boat in real Blox fruits has 33k health? Like actually, I don't think any boat does. Well, I'ma just whip this guy ass. It's not even a guy, it's just a boat. Bro, did it just shoot while it wasn't supposed to? Chill, I can't drive backwards, I understand. We're over a large distance, which makes me very unable to aim. Especially with this. I don't know what cooldown it has. I don't know who's shooting. Both have the same ammunition, it looks like. And we are losing currently. Well, no, we're winning because depending on his health, plus 2 times 9k, which is 18k, then we winning because it's like 58k. 61k is a lot of health. That hit the sails. That hit the sails as well. So we need to aim at that. Oh, okay. Bruh, why is it? It really is shooting in the worst moments. No, that's bad. Dude, I didn't aim at that. Now, conquer and attack. We're gonna lose, damn it. Ship rate shouldn't be that hard, but I'm still losing. Oh, hacker. Script user. Yeah, 100 fragments. For that effort, 100 fragments. What? 100 single fragments. I'm just gonna go Grandmastery again. Flying is definitely faster than the boat. I mean, this flight is super cool. Over this radius, it actually does damage. You see these particles do damage to you. That's great, I'm telling you. Well, I'm gonna just head there real quick. And I just realized as well, you only have to press F and then aim in the direction that you want to fly in. You don't have to constantly hold it. Alright, okay. And that's just cool. Like, we're just gonna go for these guys now. Now see, that tornado does damage to them, and I'm gonna aim at them perfectly, which means that I'm gonna oof them. And I'm taking some serious damage right now. Maybe I should have taken that back, but we're not going to. We just died. I just died. Oh, I just died. Oh my god. They shot me while I was flying. But anyway, now you're gonna regret what you have done. Now you're going to regret every life decision you've made. Die! You are... Oh! We unlocked a new ability. We ain't gonna look at that. But that's gonna have a very long just go. That's gonna have a very long cooldown, so let me wait. Alright, Howling Wind. Sea ability. What does it do? We're gonna look at it. To showcase, we're always gonna use this one. Because it's just better, you know. Alright, Howling Wind. What do you do? Oh! Combine that into a combo. That's gonna be great. And I mean, like, we're gonna do that again, that ability. I'm gonna see at the damage, you know. Look, not see at the damage. Oh, my grammar. Alright, we're not, bro. Look at the damage. 1,274 with 1,201 points. I mean, you could calculate how much it does with 2,400 points, but I wouldn't. Let's see how much it does on 2 enemies. If it, oh my gosh, I'm lagging. You're telling me I'm gonna die because of the lag? I just died because of the lag. Lag. Can it? Ugh. The question is, can it hit multiple NPCs? Alright, Howling Wind. Yes, it can. Yeah. Look at that. We're just taking them away. We're just kidnapping them. You aren't gonna do anything. Now try hitting me. Try hitting me. Try it. Oh, okay. Alright. Now let's try doing a combo with that one. Wait, I'm gonna just... That was failed. I didn't even hit one of these hits. Oh, I want it. I'm going. I don't want you. I don't want you. I ain't going for that. By the way, I don't know how long we're recording, so I'm gonna look at that. 20 minutes. What? Yo. Guys, 20 minutes already. Let's just do the combo. So for this, I'm gonna use electric and blizzard. Boom, bam, I'm lagging. Bot, the bop. Where is he? The bop. Boom. Pow. The beep. I miss. I miss again. Boom. And now while he's in the air, you gotta have one of the abilities ready. Like, of course, these NPCs are way too high for me. Yo, but that ability looks slick. Sick. Not slick. Bruh. No, go down. I'm getting caught, and basically that was already it because I've just recorded for 21 minutes. And yeah, that was it. See ya.